How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. If your feed is getting crowded with too many accounts or you just want to start fresh, today I'll show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok in just a few easy steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone
Japanese food like
and make sure you're logged in into your account. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now that you're on your profile, simply tap on following section, which shows all the accounts you're currently following. To unfollow someone, just tap the following button next to the name. This will turn it into follow, meaning you've unfollowed them. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have an option to mass unfollow everyone at once, so you'll need to do this for each account you want to unfollow. Just tap on each and every account that you want to unfollow. And after you've done that, simply refresh it. And as you can see, your following has gotten down. Do that to each and every account, and that's it. You've successfully unfollowed everyone on TikTok. It might take a little time if you're following a lot of accounts, but it's pretty simple.